Studios. Today, we're making potato and chicken soup. The ingredients for this recipe are as follows: 2 to 4 chicken fillets, 6 to 12 potatoes, 2 vegetable stock cubes, 1 red pepper, 4 carrots, 2 onions, 1 cup of tomato sauce, 3/4 cup of sweet chili sauce, 1 tablespoon sunflower oil, 2 tablespoon chicken bisto, 1 teaspoon garlic granules, and half a teaspoon hot chili sauce. Start by peeling and chopping up the potatoes into small pieces. Then, peel and dice the carrots. Do the same with the onions. Then, deseed and chop up the red pepper. After that, cut up the chicken fillets into small pieces. Once that's all done, add around a tablespoon of sunflower oil to a pot. Follow that up with the chicken, pepper, onions, and carrots. Then, turn the heat up to high and brown the meat. While that's browning, add a teaspoon of garlic granules. Once the chicken starts getting some color, add 2 vegetable stock cubes and some boiling water to break them up. Turn the heat down to medium, then add 2 tablespoons chicken bisto and mix it in. Follow that up with the potatoes. Then add 1 cup of tomato sauce, 3/4 cup sweet chili sauce, half a teaspoon hot chili sauce. Mix that in before adding a good amount of boiling water to top of the pot. Once that's done, put the lid on and leave it to boil for around 80 to 90 minutes. Ensure to stir it every 10 to 15 minutes to avoid burning. Once that's done, it should be ready to serve and enjoy.